Amsino is proud to launch iReceptal digital suction system. It is a completely closed suction and fluid management system that provides protection of patients and healthcare workers from exposure to surgical fluid, smoke, airborne pathogen. Our technical goal is zero exposure from the beginning to the end during surgery, providing a total solution to clinical issues in the OR environment. Position the rover in a convenient location. Lock the rover's casters. Orient the position of the main control screen for optimal operation and viewing. Turn on the power switch. Read the warning messages on the main control screen and confirm. Insert a new manifold into the manifold receptacle. Push the manifold straight into the receptacle until a click is heard. Confirm the new manifold symbol appears on the main control screen and a confirmation sound occurs. Hang the fluid bag on the irrigation pole hook. The maximum volume allowed simultaneously is 12 liters. Raise the fluid bags to the desired height. Fix the irrigation bag tubing in the strain relief. Touch the wait button to start monitoring the irrigation fluid. Leave empty fluid bags hanging on the pole hooks to maintain accurate irrigation values. The device automatically monitors the irrigation fluid. Make sure a smoke evacuator filter is installed in the rover before using smoke evacuation. Install the smoke evacuator tubing to the smoke evacuator filter. Adjust smoke evacuator power by touch the plus and minus sign button to increase or decrease power level of smoke evacuation. Connect the suction tubing to the appropriate manifold port. Always close unused manifold ports. Attach a fluid suction accessory to the end of the suction tubing, if required. While viewing the suction gauge on the main display, turn the suction control dial to the level of suction required. Both the screens and the manifold light provide color-coded visual information about the suction limit range setting. Touch the Start Suction button to start fluid suction. The main screen provides the fluid volume value in milliliters. Once the internal canister becomes close to full, a notification will appear to dock your rover. When the fluid volume level is at full capacity, fluid suction has stopped in the full canister. Full warning drop-down appears on the main display. Transfer the specimen into the appropriate container if needed. Push the eject button to release the manifold from the receptacle. Properly dispose of the used manifold and attached suction tubing. Touch and hold the IV pull-down button to lower the fluid bags. Push the power switch to the off position. Unlock the casters of the rover and relocate the rover. Push the rover toward the docker and between the guides until the rover and docker attach automatically. The docking mode screen will appear. Select a wash cycle and start. During the cycle, it applies steam water to the interior walls of canister and rinses the detergent with water. After the cycle is complete, touch the Release from Dock button to release the rover from the docker. Our value proposition: provide protection for patients and healthcare workers from exposure to surgical fluid, smoke, and airborne pathogen. Create a clean and green environment and reduce medical waste associated with use of disposable medical products. Cost savings for hospitals. Improved efficiency allows for more surgeries per day to increase hospitals' revenue income.